Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. First of all, go into settings, then choose themes and click at themes at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then click at the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to. For example, space. Now pick theme that you like the best. I will go with that one. Click on download and select apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into the same settings, choose themes again, tap at these three lines at the top left corner, choose my stuff, tap on the default theme and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!